If you are new to Canva, you are going to love it. It's an easy-to-use design tool, and my template features a lightweight design for ease of use. Sign into your Canva account and copy and paste the template URL into your browser. The next thing you want to do is upload your logo as a PNG or JPEG file and double-click on it to place it into the document. Drag it to the left-hand corner and resize as necessary. Once you have your logo exactly where you want it, select it and copy it. Command-C works in Canva. Then click on the next page and paste it. Command-V, and Canva will place it in exactly the same spot as the previous page. Any of the elements can be recolored to match your branding. You have to click on each element one by one to change the colors. But once you have all of your information and icons colored, you can group them and copy and paste them to the rest of the pages. You should always add a delivery memo when you hand deliver or ship your artwork. Make sure you make a copy for your files. This way, if things get lost or damaged, you have a record of exactly what was delivered. And these art labels are designed for making sure the gallery knows the information for your work. If the card gets separated from the artwork, adding a photo will help the gallery match it. Last step is to download your documents as a PDF and print. If you find these documents helpful, feel free to share the link below with other artists.